Gurupyo Namaha. Welcome to your Divine Prayers channel. Let's chant together Sanskrit sloka with ease. For beginners who want to learn to chant this sloka can go through the link given in the description box. Today let's chant Sri Venkateshwara Vajra Kavacha Stotram. Sri Venkateshwara Swami is the form of Lord Mahavishnu, also known as Malayappa, Govinda, Balaji, Srinivasa, Venkata, Vasudeva, and Venkatachalapati. Lord Venkateshwara Swami protects the devotee from various malefic effects and troubles. It is believed that one who recites this Venkateshwara Vajra Kavacha Stotram is freed from the bondage and fear of death in his life. Sage Markandeya composed this Kavacha. Markandeya Uvacha Narayanam Parabrahma Sarvakaranakarakam Prapadhe Venkateshakyam Tadeva Kavacham Mama Sahasrashisha Purusho Venkateshas Sirovatu Pranisha Prananilayah Pranan Rakshatu Me Harihi Akasharat Sutanath Atmanam Me Sadavatu Devadevotamopayat Deham Me Venkateshwarah Sarvatra Sarvakaleshu Mangam Bhajanishwarah Palayen Mam Sada Karma Safalyam Na Prayachatu Yayetat Vajrakavacha Mapedhyam Venkateshituhu Sayam Pratha Pate Nityam Mrutyum Tarati Nirbhayah Iti Shri Venkateshwara Vajrakavacha Stotram Sampurnam यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव महाविष्णु नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व महाविष्णु अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष महाविष्णु. Let's chant together Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times for the welfare of all living beings. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hope you could follow along with me in chanting this sloka. More in queue. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and click on the bell icon to subscribe and show your support.